three vectors A, B and C are given in the question, and a vector D satisfies the condition vector D cross B is equal to vector C cross B, and we want to find magnitude of vector D whole square. Simply we need to find vector D. So we are starting from condition number 1, which is vector D cross vector B is equal to vector C cross vector B, and therefore we can write that vector D cross vector B minus vector C cross vector B is equal to null vector, so that we can write that vector D minus vector C cross vector B is equal to null vector. Now this is very important condition for us. What does it mean? It means that cross product of two vector is a null vector, and we know that if cross product of two vector is a null vector, then they are parallel to each other, so that we can write that vector D minus vector C will be equal to lambda into vector P, and from that we can write vector D is equal to vector C plus lambda into vector B. Now vector B and C are given in the question, so that we can write vector C is equal to 2 minus 1 4 plus lambda into vector B 3 minus 2 and 7, which will gives us 2 plus 3 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda 4 plus 7 lambda. So this is our vector D, and this is our result number 1. Now if we can find the value of lambda, then we can find the vector D, which is our required quantity. And to find the value of lambda, another condition is given in the question, which is vector D dot vector A is equal to 24. So now vector D dot vector A is equal to 24. From equation number 1 we can write vector D 2 plus 3 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda 4 plus 7 lambda dot vector A is given in the question 1 4 2 and is equal to 24. So now by dot product of two vector we can write that 1 into 2 plus 3 lambda plus 4 into minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 2 into 4 plus 7 lambda is equal to 24. Now by simplifying this equation we can write that 2 plus 3 lambda minus 4 minus 8 lambda plus 8 plus 14 lambda is equal to 24, so that we can write 3 lambda minus 8 minus 5 plus 14 will gives us 9 lambda, 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 8 6, 24 minus 6 will be equal to 18, so that we can write that value of lambda is equal to plus 2. Now by substituting this value of lambda in equation number 1 we can find vector D. So our vector D will be equal to 2 plus 3 lambda, and lambda is 2, so 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8 minus 1 minus 4 will gives us minus 5, and 4 plus 7 lambda, so 14 plus 4 will be equal to 18. This is our vector D, and we want to find magnitude of D whole square, so that we can write magnitude of D whole square is equal to square of 8, which is 64, plus square of minus 5 is 25, plus square of 18 is 324. By adding these three elements we can write magnitude of D whole square is equal to 413. So our final answer is 413, which is our option A. Thank you.